You are going to write mock test. Mock test. Wait, nobody will discuss. Let me explain. Mock test. It will be around 29th July. Star means एक मिनट 29 July. It will be in the form of MCQ, multiple choice question. Means for each question you will be given 4 options. 4 options will be given. A, B, C, D. 4 options will be given. You have to tick mark the correct option with the help of mouse. It will be in the form of online. Online means you have to, with the help of mouse, you have to click the correct option. With the help of mouse, wherever icon is there, that arrow is there, you have to tick mark the correct option. ठीक है. So wait. Wait 29 July and total there will be 10 questions. Question number 1 to question number 2 up to 10 questions will be there. Each will carry 1 mark. Wait, I am talking about mock test. I am not talking about unit test. This is mock test. Then the name of this chapter for this mock test will be rational and irrational number. Only one chapter I have kept for mock test. Rational and irrational. That is what I am telling. No. Wait, no. For you are not allowing me to speak. Then how I will be able to explain? Mute the microphone. Because see, let us take one example. Let us give the question number 1. Rationalizing. I am just giving this. Rationalize denominator of 3 upon root 2. Answer you have to write. Rationalize denominator of this. So with the help of rough pages and pen, you have to keep the rough page and along with the pen with you. When you go for appearing this MCQ mock test, you have to carry the rough pages. That is what I am telling. You have to be ready with the rough page and the pen. Immediately you have to rationalize denominator 3 root 2, multiply and divide by root 2. This rough calculation you have to do. So that will be 3 root 2 upon 2. So this is the answer. Wherever suppose answer first A is root 2, B is 3 root 2, C is 3 root 2 upon 2 and D is 3. So whichever is the correct option, that you have to click. Yes. Time. Wait. Ask the doubt. Starting 29th, most probably you will have maths exam that your respective class teacher will tell you exactly. Most probably on 29th you will be having maths. एक ही mock test. After mock test you will be having unit test. Not on the spot. After mock test, you are going to write unit test exam. That timetable you will get from the class teacher. Before, see, नहीं, सुनो. No, listen to me. No, see, we are just keeping this mock test for as a practice. Before we directly start unit test, we are giving you the practice of mock test so that you get familiar with the system. Duration will be 30 minutes. Duration will be 30 minutes. Duration will be 30 minutes. For each question 3 minutes I am giving, no? For each question. Yes. This marks will be added. Timer will be already there in the computer. Automatically after completion of the time, you will be out of the system. Paper will disappear from that system. See here what I am telling. You should not be panicked. First, we are keeping the mock test just to get you familiar with that MCQ system of online. Just to get familiar. Once you get familiar with that, wait, why you are saying interrupting me? When you get familiar with that 10 marks mock test, then we will plan for unit test in the form of MCQ. Is it clear? For unit test, portion will be different. For mock test, only one chapter I am keeping, rational irrational number. You have to solve the problem and tick mark the correct option. So when you appear for mock test, don't forget to carry 2-3 pages, blank pages and pen or pencil along with you, because you have to solve that, and after getting the correct answer, you have to click the correct answer. For mock test portion is only one chapter, rational irrational. For unit test, it will be more than one chapter, that you will come to know, and that timetable for unit test you will get in advance, and how many chapters are there, that will also come. Coming 29th we are planning to keep maths exam, that is 90% fixed. What is there? See. Yes, ask the doubt. That I don't have idea. Only I have idea about maths. That you ask your respective class teacher. Because maths we have set the question for 10 marks. Duration we have kept 30 minutes. For each question you will get enough time of 3 minutes to think and solve and clicking the correct answer. So 3 minutes you will get for one question. Has no problem. See, one question you can take 30 minutes, no problem, it is up to you, but then 9 questions you will not be able to attempt. No, not 3 minutes. After 30 minutes you will be out of that system. When the duration of that test is over, you will be out of that. Paper will not be there. Yes. MCQ, 10 questions, 4 options for each. Unit test also, we are going to plan MCQ form only. MCQ, but remember, MCQ. Yes, no, MCQ you will enjoy. Only the thing is, your concept should be clear. Concept जो है वो clear होना चाहिए. Concept. चलो, let us start our topic now. Wait, 7 first. X plus y is equal to 2xy. Right. Now mute the microphone. Live exam is equal to 6xy. Wait, right. Let us solve 7 first. 29th most probably on 29th maths का होगा. Other subject I do not have idea, that you asked. 1%, see, 1%, 2%, it may fluctuate here and there. Suppose there is heavy rain, then there is definitely going to internet problem. So that precaution we are taking. So that is why I am saying 98%. Chalo, let us start. ऐप नहीं रहेगा. We have to, you will appear in that test from MICM portal. Login ID password है सबके पास. Then 30 minutes टोटल 10 मार्क 10 क्वेश्चन के लिए 30 मिनट्स. हाँ, यस, टोटल 30 मिनट्स 10 क्वेश्चन के लिए 30 मिनट्स. एंड ओनली वन ऐप इज देयर, MICM पोर्टल सबका एक्टिव होना चाहिए. यू मस्ट बी हैविंग. हाँ, no, reading time, see, that is why we have included that reading time in that 30 minute slot only. 3 minutes or more. हाँ हाँ हाँ, वीडियो ऑन रखो, नो प्रॉब्लम. MICM पोर्टल पे वीडियो ऑन नहीं रहेगा वहां पे. हाँ, बिना वीडियो. MICM ऑलरेडी है ना एवरीबडी. MICM ऐप है ना स्कूल का. अरे स्कूल वाला ऐप जो है, स्कूल वाला ऐप. हाँ, एडुस्प्रिंट MICM एडुस्प्रिंट. हाँ, ऑलरेडी ऑल ऑफ यू आर हैविंग दैट. वो एक पे तुम्हारा वर्कशीट जाता है ना, वर्कशीट. वी आर सेंडिंग द वर्कशीट थ्रू दैट ऐप. नो, and अरे that is, you don't worry. By seeing the question, similar question will not be there in the textbook. Number I have changed. So definitely you have to work out and get the answer. हाँ, you have to work out because number I have changed. हाँ, now let us start. हाँ, बस चालू करो. X plus y is 2xy. So we have to get first two equation. So x plus y upon xy is equal to 2. This we divide by xy. So x upon xy plus y upon xy is equal to 2. First we have to get two equations. X plus y is equal to 2xy. So that we write x plus y upon xy. xy I am taking in the denominator. So now I can cancel x. So what is left? 1 upon y plus y get cancelled. 1 upon x is equal to 2. Which I can write 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. A plus b is same as b plus a. This is my equation number 1. This x plus y is equal to 2xy. So I have divided x plus y by xy. Then a plus b upon c, I can write a by c plus b by c. A plus b upon c, I can write a by c plus b by c. So x get cancelled. What is left? 1 upon y. Y get cancelled. What is left? 1 upon x. So 1 upon y plus 1 upon x is 2. A plus b is same as b plus a. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is 2. Equation number 1. Now similarly you solve other one. X minus y is 6xy. So I will divide by xy. So x minus y upon xy is equal to 6. So a minus b by c is a by c minus b by c. So x upon xy minus y upon xy is equal to 6. X get cancelled. So 1 upon y. This is already given in the question. These two are given in the question. So 1 upon y minus 1 upon x is 6. 1 upon y minus 1 upon x is 6, which I can write minus 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 6. This is my equation number 2. I am just writing this first x term, and this is my equation number 1. So now we have 1 upon x and 1 upon y. what we will do? Morning we have done the same type of problem. Yes? Not cross multiplication. How cross multiplication? Yes, we take, yes. We take 1 upon x as a and 1 upon y as b and get the equation in terms of a and b and solve both the equation. No problem, same answer you will get. You can take 1 upon y as a, 1 upon x as b, no problem. But at one stage you get a, one stage you get b, that should not happen. If you are taking 1 upon x as a or b, you have to take everywhere that. So let us put 1 upon x is equal to a, 1 upon y is equal to b, and rewrite equation 1 and 2. Yes, a plus b is equal to 2, my equation number 1. Then, no, not a minus, minus a, it is minus 1 upon x. So minus a plus b, sorry, minus a plus b, no, minus a plus b is equal to 6. Now we solve equation 1 and 2 by equating coefficient. No, we write 1 and 2, no problem, because only one we are changing, no. What you want? You want 3 and 4? Chalo, right. No problem, you can write 3 and 4, 1 and 2. So what you will do? Now, yes, equating coefficient, yes, 3 plus 4, this is plus, this is minus, so directly you can cancel them by adding 3 plus 4 we write, equation 3 plus equation 4 we write, a minus a is 0, b plus b 2b is equal to 2 plus 6 8, so 2b is equal to 8, so b is equal to 4, b is equal to 4. Yeah, put the value of b in equation 3, put b is equal to 4 in equation 3, in equation 3 we put b is equal to 4, so a plus 4 is equal to 2, so a is equal to 2 minus 4, so a is equal to minus 2, a is equal to minus 2, but there you will not stop because my actual variables are x and y. So I have to write down final answer in terms of x and y. So I have to replace a and replace b. You have to replace a and you have to replace b. So a is minus 2, but what is a? Yes, what is a? Yes, so substitute that value. A is minus 2, b is 4, b is 4, a is 1 upon x, 1 upon x is minus 2 and 1 upon y is 4. So cross multiply, 1 upon minus 2 is x and 1 upon 4 is y. So x is minus 1 upon 2 and y is 1 upon 4. So this is the final answer. Yes. X is minus 1 upon 2. Minus sign you can take anywhere, in numerator also, denominator also, or in between also, anywhere you can take. 8 will be homework, same type. Now 7th, second will also be homework, same type. Now 9th I will do. 9th, 10th one is already easy. 10th one we'll see. First let me do 9th. 2xy upon x plus y is 3 by 2 and xy upon 2x minus y is equal to what do you have, minus 3 upon 10. Just check in the question. It is 3 upon 10 or minus 3 upon 10. So first get the two equation. So 2xy upon x plus y is equal to 3 by 2. How will simplify? See, a plus b upon c, I can write a by c plus b by c. But c upon a plus b I cannot write. Are you getting this? A plus b upon c I can write a by c plus b by c. But c upon a plus b I cannot simplify. So what I will do? I will take reciprocal. First I will take yes, I am just explaining this part. See, a plus b upon c, we write a by c plus b by c. Don't write this. This I will erase. A plus b upon c, I can write a by c plus b by c. But c upon a plus b, I cannot write c by a plus b, c by b. Remember this. Whenever there is plus in the numerator, then only I can split. So c upon a plus b, I cannot write c by a plus c by b. So this I have to write. This I have to write in the form of a plus b upon c first. So what I will do? I will take reciprocal. I will take reciprocal on both the sides. Yes. So what you have? You have 2xy upon x plus y is equal to 3 by 2. So taking reciprocal on both the sides. Taking reciprocal on both the sides. Wait. 8 minutes. Now it is clear, right? Taking reciprocal on both the sides. Right. It is clear, right? So taking reciprocal means what happened? Video gone? But in mobile it is seeing very much clear. No, mobile it is seeing very much clear. मैंने फोन क्लियर आ रहा है. It is coming blood. Two xy is equal to 3 by 2. Yes, not 3 by 2. Right. So this becomes 2 by 3. Yes, reciprocal. Now this 2 I will multiply this side. So x plus y upon xy is equal to this 2 I will multiply this side. So 2 into 2 by 3. So you will get x plus y. No. This 2 is multiplied. So I can take 2 in the numerator. Cross multiply I can take 2 up. Cross multiplication I can take 2 up. So x upon xy plus y upon xy is equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So x is 2 into 2 by 3. Multiply numerator. No, 2 into 2, 4 upon 3. Are you getting? This is not a mix. Yes, you can do cross multiplication directly. So this become 1 upon y plus 1 upon x is equal to 4 by 3. 1 upon y plus 1 upon x is equal to 4 by 3. No, let me write that first x. let me write first x. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 4 by 3 is my equation 1. 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 4 by 3 is my equation number 1. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 4 by 3 is my equation number 1. Then similarly you solve second, xy upon 2x minus y is equal to minus 3 upon 10. So taking reciprocal on both sides, both sides you have to take reciprocal. So you have to interchange numerator and denominator. So you will get 2x minus y upon xy is equal to minus 3 upon 10. So a minus b upon c is a by c minus b by c. So 2x upon xy minus y upon xy is equal to minus 3 by 10. Now x get cancelled, so that is 2 upon y minus 1 upon x is equal to minus 3 by 10. 2 will be left in the numerator. So 2 upon y. So this I will write first x. This I will write first x. This will write first x. No. Minus. Wait. When we are asking take reciprocal means you have to take reciprocal on both the sides, no? This side I have taken reciprocal, this side also you have to take, no? So 10 upon minus 3. Minus 10 upon 3. You have to also remember minus 10 upon 3. Taking reciprocal on both the sides, no? So minus 3 upon 10 reciprocal will be 10 upon minus 3. So this we write minus 1 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to minus 10 upon 3. This is my equation number 2. So now you have 1 upon x, 1 upon y, 1 upon x, 1 upon y. Yeah, you put 1 upon x is equal to a, 1 upon y is equal to b. So you will get a plus b is equal to 4 by 3. Equation number 1 or 3. 3. And equation number 4 minus a plus 2b, not 2 is there, so 2b is equal to minus 10 by 3. Equation number 4. Now you add 3 and 4. Add 3 and 4 because it is a and minus a. So you can add 3 plus 4 will give you a minus a is 0, b plus 2b is 3b, 4 by 3. No. I am cancelling a. No, I am equating coefficient of a because a 1 is already there, na? So there is no need to multiply by any number. Earlier I was cancelling b, so I am making coefficient of b equal. Now I am cancelling a. Anyone, that is what. Yes. By equating coefficient method means you can cancel any variable, either x or by y, anyone. So 3b is equal to 4 by 3 minus 10 by 3. 4 by 3 minus 10 by 3. Denominator is same. So you can simplify the numerator. Yes, what you will get? 3b is equal to minus 6 by 3. So 3b is equal to minus 2. So b is equal to minus 2 by 3. B is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now put this value of b in equation 3. Put this value of b in equation 3. Put the value of b in equation 3, get x. Put b is equal to minus 2. हाँ, b is equal to minus 2 by 3 in equation 3. हाँ, equation. So a plus b minus 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. So a is equal to 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Take this. So a is equal to 6 by 3. So a is equal to 2. A is 2 and b is minus 2 by 3. A is 2. A is 2 and b is minus 2 by 3. But this is not our final answer because our question is given in terms of variable x and y. So a is 2 and b is minus 2 by 3. But what is a? A is 1 upon x is 2 and 1 upon y is minus 2 by 3. So cross multiply, 1 by 2 is x and take this cross multiply, 3 is equal to 3 upon 3 is equal to minus 2y. हाँ, so x is equal to 1 by 2. हाँ, y is equal to 3 upon minus 2. Yes? No, 2x is equal to 1. So what is x? 1 by 2, no? This I can take down, this I can take up. So x is 1 by 2, y is minus 3 by 2. X is 1 by 2. Now, in the same way, question number 10 is easy because your question number 10 will be homework because you are given 1 upon x, 1 upon y form. Yes. So there I will take the reciprocal. Yes, you can take the reciprocal. Y is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Yes, that also you can do. For x also you can take reciprocal. But when you take reciprocal, you have to take reciprocal on both the sides, left side also, right side also. So on yes, on 29th there will be mock test of 10 marks, 30-minute duration, and you have to study chapter number 1, rational, irrational, and you have to understand the concept. Yes. That your class teacher will tell you. Class teacher will tell you about the timing. Ask. Yes. It will also be in that format only. We are planning to that. I am talking about maths. I am not aware about other subject. Yes. And you will enjoy that MCQ test. Online test you will enjoy. Don't worry. इजी होगा बट तुम्हारा कंसेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए. कंसेप्ट शुड बी क्लियर. अगर कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होगा तो यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. यस. बाय. सो रिवाइज